Alrighty, guys. Good afternoon. I wanted to talk about this trade here because it is a very specific trade, has very specific confluences, and of course, I just haven't made a video in a while, so we're gonna jump right into it. It's gonna be a pretty short video here. Uh, yeah. So, we're on the 15-minute time frame here. We're on S&P 500 futures here. So I want to talk about a couple things here that made this trade here possible. Uh, Firstly, order blocks, and second of all, just a time confluence, power hour. So, power hour, very easy to understand. Power hour is just 3 to 4 o'clock. 3 to 4 o'clock on American indices. Price is going to tend to either reach an objective or start reaching for an objective. Uh, yeah, and it's just one of the larger moves of the day because it's going to be rushing to where it is pre-programmed to close at 5 o'clock. So with that being said, yeah, pretty easy to understand. Power hours 3 to 4 o'clock. So we're looking for a trade there. And an order block is just going to be the last string of candles in the opposing direction before a move downward or upward. So the opposite candles. So let's take a look here. You can see we have a leg down here. The last upward candles are here. It can be an order block can be a string of candles. So we're going to go from the body of this first upwards candle to the top of the body of this last upwards candle here before the leg down. That's going to be our order block. So here we can type this if we want. We'll label that our 15-minute order block. We have a lot of price action coming down here. I have some trades from this morning coming down here. I think we took probably one loss, one win, one break even, something like that for this morning. We were up like probably like 1300 or something like that. But yeah, I don't feel like going in three different trades there. Um, yeah, so we're just gonna do this super easy one to explain real quick. Either way, we were up for the morning, so that's good. But yeah, so um, we're gonna drop down on the time frame here. Like I said, 3 o'clock. So we go over here. You see that that is exactly, look in the bottom of the screen there, the 3 o'clock 15-minute candle as it's pushing up into this order block. Pretty coincidental, right? So let's drop down a time frame. We're gonna go to the 5 minute here. The middle of an order block is going to be the mean threshold. So, uh, yeah, it's just a significant area in which you would take a trade. The midpoint of an order block, the midpoint of a long wick would be called consequent encroachment. Uh, you know, 50% of a zone is also, if you mark out for a swing high to a swing low, a zone, 50% of that is also, a place that is a good place to take a trade from if you are expecting a continuation. So, 50% of certain things is a significant concept in trading in many different ways. So yeah, 50% of the order block here, we have the middle dash line of our order block. You can see this is our 15-minute order block that I marked out. And this trade was really good because it was just so precise here. So let's drop down to the 1 minute. You can see I caught the trade on the exact minute that I needed to, the highest candle right here. So as it pushed past the midpoint of this 15-minute order block, I took a short here. It was a 1-for-1 risk to reward ratio. So my entry was about 57. So my stop loss would have been about 67 up here. And then my take profit was about 47, which did indeed get hit right about here. So yeah, I mean, it was really simple. $1,000 in 2 minutes. It was two contracts on ES. Here, I'll put on my execution labels for you guys. More settings, trading, execution labels. So yeah, sell two at 50, 58, 57.25, buy two at 58, 47.50. And yeah, I mean, it literally only took 2 minutes to catch 10 points. So that's it. 1-for-1 risk to reward ratio, super simple. Um, yeah, I made up for my loss this morning by catching a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, shorting this morning. Uh, yeah, and as you can see, guys, once we're approaching 3:30 here, that's when the real mel happened. I mean, this is ridiculous. Check this out. We got 58.74 past 57.74. So we have $100 move on ES. I mean, within what is this, 325? This is 350, 25, 30 minutes. Insanity, absolute insanity. So, yeah, we only needed the 10 points. We didn't want to be in too long. We were already up for the day, but I saw that perfect opportunity and I couldn't pass it up. Super happy I took it. So, yeah, 3 to 4 p.m. power hour. Look for those order blocks, mark out those order blocks, and you'll be good. You'll be good to go. But yeah, guys, pretty short video. Gonna wrap it up. I think you guys get the point. Power hour and the midpoint of the order block here is why I took this trade, and it ended up working out perfectly in a extremely short period of time. So yeah, thanks for watching. What are we at here? We're at 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Probably one of my shorter videos. Um, yeah, we'll see you next time. Hopefully, I'll start making more videos. It's just been Whew, it's been so hard to focus on making videos and trading at the same time, especially with this Trump volatility, guys. It's like you got to be locked the fuck in. Like I definitely give props to people who are live streaming every day with this Trump volatility and paying attention to their audience and trading well at the same time. It is fucking difficult. So yeah, trade recap after the fact this time. Hopefully we get back on some live stuff soon. Like I said, like I've had to be locked in for this shit. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And we are at the 7 minute mark. Good afternoon, good night. Love ya.